Well, hello there, friends, and welcome to the Marley Bird YouTube channel. I'm Marley Bird, and in this video, I will teach you how to make this beautiful herringbone scarf. The herringbone scarf is made up of the herringbone stitch, which has a 2-row repeat and a multiple of 3 plus 1. This beautiful scarf has a lovely, rich texture. It is reversible. The herringbone stitch makes a reversible stitch pattern, and it is perfect for a feminine look or a masculine look. This particular scarf was made using the brand new Sprinkle Cakes, which is sold exclusively at Michael's stores. You will need 3 balls of the Sprinkle Cakes and a pair of US size 15 or 10 millimeter knitting needles. Go ahead, grab your materials, join me back here, and I will teach you this quick stitch, and you will have a scarf made in no time. This pattern calls for you to cast on 28 stitches, and as I mentioned before, the stitch multiple is 3 plus 1. So if you want to change up the width of your scarf, simply change up your cast on. Once you cast on, you will jump directly into your 2-row repeat by knitting 1 stitch, and then this is going to be your repeat. You will yarn over your right hand needle. Slip the next stitch as if to purl with the yarn in back. Knit 2 stitches. Then you will take your left hand needle, grab that stitch you jumped or that you slipped, and have it jump over those 2 stitches you just knit. Now we repeat that. Yarn over our right hand needle, slip the next stitch as if to purl with the yarn in back, and then knit 2 stitches. Grab that stitch that you slipped, have it jump up and over those 2 knit stitches. That's not too hard, is it? All you need to do is go back to start and repeat with your yarn over, slip 1 as if to purl with the yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, and then have the slipped stitch jump up and over those 2 knit stitches. I'm going to do it with the yarn in my right hand as well for those of you who are throwers. So we will yarn over our right hand needle, slip the next stitch as if to purl with our yarn in back, knit 2 stitches, have that stitch you slipped jump up, if I can get a hold of it, and over those 2 knit stitches. You will do this all the way down to the end of the row. You will then turn your work, and you will work row 2, which is very similar to row 1, only in order to keep the stockinette, we work purls. So this first stitch, we will purl 1. And then we jump into our repeat. So we will yarn over our needle and then bring our yarn back between our needles back to the front to complete that full yarn over. So our yarn is in front, slip the next stitch as if to purl, and then purl 2 stitches. Just like before, we're going to grab that stitch that we slipped, and this time we're going to have it jump up and over those 2 purl stitches. Yarn over, bring your yarn between your needles back to the front so it's ready to purl. You will slip 1 as if to purl with the yarn in front, purl 2 stitches, have the slip stitch, jump up and over those 2 purls. Again, you will do this all the way to the end of the row. When you're done, you will turn your work. And when you get back to the right side of the fabric, you'll notice that herringbone stitch pattern. To make this scarf, you simply repeat those last 2 rows until your scarf measures the distance listed in the pattern or to your desired measurement. Once that is reached, you will simply bind off all of your stitches, add some fringe, and wear your scarf with pride. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And when you make your scarf, make sure you share with us on social media. Use hashtag MarleyBird or hashtag Yarnspirations. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye. Thanks so much for joining me on the Marley Bird YouTube channel. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit subscribe. I've put a link right over there, or you can watch a couple of the videos I've already selected for you right down there. If you want to follow me on social media, I've put my links right over there. You could have all Marley all the time. Bye, guys.